Hello everybody, my name is Luis and this video is a follow-up about the IUpdater tester. Right? This application is triggered by IUpdater. So has a lot of IUpdater in each parameter in the project. So I can go in here. I mean using this side is Revit 21 and this one is Revit 23. So if I go in here and select um, this tag and set the leader line to true, so we're gonna show like this: the ID, the parameter, and the new value. So works fine. Can disable and enable. You're gonna trigger like should be. But in this new version, Revit 23, I have the same application, right? And I can change it in here. Let's put it there. Change into yes, but it's not trigger for some reason. This parameter works, the vertical, the orientation, but this one does not trigger like the old version. Why? I have no idea. And what other parameters stop working? That's yeah, that could be a really issue in some application. Yeah. So see you next time. Bye bye.